Welcome back to another tutorial for the YouCut editing app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add freeze frame within your edits. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouCut application on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, you can tap on the plus icon to work on your old projects or create a new one. Once you have added your desired media, you can press the play button to check the preview. Now, if you wish to add a freeze frame effect at any point within your clip, then just pause your clip and put the vertical bar exactly where you want your freeze frame to begin. Now tap on the clip to have it selected, and then just above it, swipe towards the right until you see the freeze option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now create a 3-second freeze frame at the point where the vertical bar is located. You can check the preview, which will show you that the frame has frozen. If you wish to increase the duration of the freeze frame, you can press and hold on the left and right arrows, and then move it further away to increase the duration, or move it close together to decrease it. Once again, check the preview to see if you have achieved your desired effect. You can also add multiple freeze frames within the same clip by following the same step. Once your editing is completed, you can press the save button to proceed towards your export. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add freeze frames within your edits on the YouCut app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.